Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 6125M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor comes with a John Deere H340 quick attach front loader. Loader is self-leveling. Tractor has 125 horsepower. It does not require the diesel exhaust fluid. It's got the global style hookup for your bucket connection. Front grill guard. Paint is in really nice shape on the tractor and loader. Tires are in good condition. Does have the Deluxe Multi-Coupler here for your mid-loader hose connection. Corner post exhaust. Does have the 4 front work lights and the belt line lights down here. 2 entry doors with steps on both sides. Mirrors on both sides of the cab. Continental Radial tires, 18.4 34s. You have a couple surface cuts on them, but they're in good overall condition. Telescopic 3-point arms. Does have the stabilizer bars, 540 and 1000 PTO. Tractor has triple rear hydraulic outlets. Top link is included. Also has the 2 rear work lights with the rear wiper. Buttons on the fenders, on both fenders for your PTO and your 3-point up down. It's a very nice clean tractor, and again, it does not require the DEF fluid. Inside the cab, it's nice and clean in here. It does have the air ride seat here for the operator, buddy seat here to the left. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. We're here to the right on the control console. You've got your primary transmission stick. You've got 6 ranges in this tractor. That is the upgraded 24x24 power quad transmission. You've got a 4-speed power shift in each range. You can shift the power shift with the buttons on the range lever, on the toggle, or on the loader control right here. So wherever your hand may be for whatever control, you can shift the tractor. It does have the hand throttle right here within easy reach, as well as your 4-wheel drive engagement. Also to the right here, you've got your 3-point and hydraulic controls. To the far right, you've got your climate controls and your light switches. Up top, you've got the radio, rearview mirror, sun visor. Headliner's in nice shape. It also has the rear sun visor there. Down on the floor, you've got a cup holder. It's nice and clean in here. Cup holder to the far right as well. Does have the foot throttle, individual brakes, differential lock in the center, clutch pedal here to the left. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.